Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to use Bixby Vision on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's begin! So, the Bixby Vision itself is, I would call it the poor version of the AI lens that's coming from Google, but if you are a really big fan of Samsung and you want to use Bixby Vision, well, here's your tutorial. And what's really funny is that we first need to actually gain access to it, because you will see that by default we can't really see, we only have typical Bixby. And if you're thinking that we can, for example, like go into Bixby and I don't know, like press the selfie icon, like the camera icon, then you would be wrong. And what's really funny is that we would search the Bixby here. We can see the Bixby Vision application, but we cannot see it by default, so let's change that. First, we want to navigate into our settings. Inside settings, we can scroll all the way down and then head into applications. Now, inside applications, you want to ignore everything here, though technically you could go into here, but we can go into Samsung app settings and then Bixby Vision. And in here, you want to scroll down and finally enable Show Bixby Vision on App Screen. So after doing that, you will notice that Bixby Vision has appeared, and we can, for example, drag and hold it and move it here and here, and now we have finally an easier access to it. So after almost 2 minutes of tutorial, you can finally use Bixby Vision. I have no idea why they've done that, but sure. So let's click Bixby Vision. And as you can see, we are unable to open it because it lacks the camera permissions. So let's go into settings and let's go into permissions, and we want to allow the permission, which is pretty funny. I have no idea why the Bixby Vision doesn't have the camera permissions, but now we have an update. Okay, sure. So let's go into update, which will probably take some time. So yeah, so I agree. We need to go to the Galaxy Store. I have no idea why Bixby Vision has 0.0 stars, but as you can see, the update was okay, it was pretty small, sure. So finally we can start using the AI version of the Google lenses called Bixby Vision. Bixby Vision works pretty similarly to AI lens. We can look at something and we can make photos. So I will do something funny and I will get myself beautiful toilet paper, and now we can basically click shutter button, and now we can see what we have here. So we can go into more results. Now we have some information that, well, sometimes it doesn't work, it's fine. Let's go into continue, and we can see that now it's searching through the internet through something similar. So yeah, however, what's really cool is we can head into scene describer itself. And now we can hear toilet paper on a desk. We can hear basically what we can see. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure about this feature. Like, it's surely cool. I don't think it has much usage. I really doubt many blind people use it. If they do, I'm sorry. I get your respect back, but it's nothing really crazy. Like, for example, if I would get rid of my toilet paper and, for example,
capture a scene to hear a detailed
thank you, Bixby Vision. So we can, for example, go into our logo, and we can go into this,
scene.
And now we can hear
a green hexagon-shaped object with a power button.
And that's actually surprisingly good explanation. Okay, they must improved the Bixby Vision, because when I was testing her, I believe like half a year ago or something, she was really bad at describing things. But I believe that if we go into like anything more complicated, like I will pause the recording and I will try to create scenery here. Okay, so I have made more complicated scenery.
A roll of toilet paper and a drink.
And as you can see now, Bixby is really starting to, well, be very bad. Let me just quickly fix that. Of course, this video is not sponsored in any way. I have just this random drink on my desk, and As you can see, the Bixby didn't really tell us what is the drink or what color is it. It didn't even it completely failed to mention the paper, the plant. It's not as good. I guess you can use it this way nobody is stopping you, but I just don't think that the feature is cooked enough for you to use it daily, or for you to give it to blind person and use it as their hearing tool, actually seeing tool, because I don't think they really cooked her in the oven for long enough time. Of course, we have more. We can go into object identifier, which technically is better. So as you can see, that's going to drink footstool and grape. The drink is correct. Footstool is note and the grape is note. Okay, we can go once again to here.
A roll of toilet paper and a drink.
But unfortunately, she always gives the same information. Once again, she completely fails to see or mention our plant, which is just a shame. We can also click this button to, for example, get ourselves an image from our gallery. But technically, I would really love to use Bixby Vision on Samsung, on live. And you can actually enable this. So, for example, we can go into text reader as well and coral detector.
Point the camera at an object to hear what color. Dark gray.
Okay, thank you. But basically, can you please stop talking? We can go into scene describer, please, and into the settings. So let's go into settings, and you can actually enable something really cool. But once I will enable this, I won't be able to speak because the Bixby will really try to out-talk me. But basically, we can disable the show shutter button, which means that our Bixby will basically detect things always and will always talk. Now I will try to go back and you will see what I mean here. Once again, I'm going to go almost mute because Bixby Vision is going to talk for a moment. But yeah, if you want to, you can also disable the shutter button and you will get an experience similar to this one, which, as you can see, failed to work because... okay.
Crossword. Jade plant. Canned drink. Canned drink. Ring. Keyboard. Keyboard. Piercing cat. Piercing cat. Piercing cat.
Yeah, so as you can see, the Bixby is completely fine. It's working. She's working without any issues. I was giving a thumbs up and she was telling me that this was a piercing and a cat, and I have no idea how she saw this. I didn't have any kind of piercing on me, but I guess now you can see my problems with Bixby Vision. Of course, you can play around with the settings, you can use it for completely different purposes that I am, but that's basically how you can use her in 2025. Maybe they will improve her later, maybe she will have some amazing capabilities, but for now she's very mid, and she's probably outclassed by Google lenses or basically anything else, which is quite a shame. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.